The Asyst Technologies Inc. Model 21 is a robot used in the semiconductor industry for moving wafers through a process. The robots are 3-axis cylindrical coordinate devices, and we received this robot dead and incapable of any control or movement. We performed a lengthy and complete rebuild of all the electronics, and after all this work, we were able to control this robot with both the teach pendant and using software. The video here shows the robot being controlled with its teach pendant, exercising all the basic controlled moves it is capable of performing. At ERD, we perform repairs on a very large quantity of robot subassemblies, and always prefer working on the entire system, like with this particular Asyst model.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.